Hey guys, today we're back at SSP. Seeing a lot of people asking me about how to remove these belt moldings, either because they want to paint them a different color, change them out to chrome, or whatsoever. My brother decided to stop by, and we're gonna do some experimenting on his Forester. I'll show you guys how to take this molding off and this molding off. We'll make an individual video, show you all four how to remove these guys. All you really need is a flathead for the front, and then a little more work on the back. Front, so you're really easy. Just taking about 20 seconds each side. Don't force it because you will break it. Take a flathead, and like in the middle of this panel here, there's a little clip right here. Take a flathead, get a flathead that's flat, thin, not like what I just got. A little better. If you're afraid, you can put some tape down here, but if you get your, lower the windows down. Check it out. Put right here, pick up the, if you put your hand behind here and just twist it this way, it'll come out. And you just gotta twist out this way and pull. It will slowly come out. And you come to the front here. Come over in the front. I want to show you guys. I don't know if you can see in here. There's a little black clip down there. Let me show you. There it is right there. I'm trying to show you guys at the same time. Let me pull it off. It'll make more sense. So this clip, this little guy, slides into here. Slides into here. If you come around the back side of it, which you put your, and just push on this clip right here a little bit, and pull up, it'll pop out of here. The clip in the back over here, when I was sticking the screwdriver through here, I'm literally trying to push this like this. So when the thing sits in here, see how it sits in there? If you push like this and pull out, it slides out. This guy. That's all there is to removing these moldings. If you force it, you'll put a kink in one side. Don't do that. And the way they go back in is, I usually put the front end here. You know, drop it out on this valley of the door trim. All the way across. Touching right here, so I'm gonna open it up, maybe easier. A little, and then just go back in. That's how this molding comes off. Very simple. Now I'm gonna show you a video on how to take the back one off. It's a lot harder.